Business and Google Analytics. So if we just start with Google, normally I just type in Google Analytics. It's just faster and I'm lazy. Same thing with Search Console, because why not? And then so you'll see it says analytics.google.com. Search Console is search.google.com. So you can kind of go that way or just Google it like I did. This is what the ending page that you're looking at is. So we'll do analytics first. So when you get to analytics, it'll automatically log you into the last thing that you were logged into. If you have one site, then it will automatically log you into that site. So for example, um, if I want to add a user to this account, I would click on this account, go to properties, and then go to all website data, and then it will switch over to that account. Then the next thing you need to do is click on admin on the left hand side there, and then go ahead and click on just one of these. Account user management will be able to get you into all of that, the property. So in other words, if you have multiple domains, you can have one account to have multiple domains. So if you want to add a user there, you would click here. If it's just for the specific domain, you would add a user there. And this is just to view the information. So for us, we want our clients to add us here. So in the future, if anything happens, like if we need to create a property on their behalf, we can do so and have permissions to do so. So user account user management, and then again, this needs to be a Google email address. Same thing with Google Search Console. Email address has to be registered with Google. So then you would click on the plus sign, hit add users, and then type in the email address. And we are asking for everything. For some of our reporting tools, we need to add another user, and then just hit add, and then that person will be notified. They click on a accept button, and then they're added. So Tammy's now gonna get an invitation. So we'll just remove her. Okay, and then that's done. So Search Console is somewhat the same way. So we go to Search Console, and then you would click Sign Now. I'm already logged into Google. If you're not, you're going to go through the login process. Same thing, go to a property, and I'm just going to click on one. Go to one property, and then scroll down and go to Settings, Users and Permission. And this is where we see that we've added a permission. And then again, you would hit add user. And then hit add. She will now get an invitation, and then she will go through. You see this failed to add user, email not found, and that's because that email address is not registered with Google. So again, you do need to have a Google thing, a email address registered with Google, or a Gmail account. And the same thing with permissions. If this is your account, you are the owner, stay as the owner, but it's okay to give permissions to other people. Then that way, when you want to kick them off or you switch softwares, like in the case of this, then you can just remove this software that's editing it, which is SEMrush. So that is how to add personal SEO to Google Analytics and Google Search Console. And what this does is that this allows us to audit your backlinks. It allows us to give you better reporting on rankings and a bunch of other stuff. So honestly, any SEO company that you're working with should ask for these permissions. And this is just how to add them. All right, thank you for watching.